Do you want to learn how to make Peruvian style chicken from the comfort of your own home? Stay tuned. Hi everyone, welcome to Cooking with Chef Rich. Today we're going to be making some Pollo a la Brasa, or Peruvian style chicken in English. Really great dish, very easy to make. We're going to jump right in and talk about our ingredients. The first thing that we have to do is make a marinade for our chicken. I have 2 teaspoons of black pepper, 2 teaspoons of cumin, 2 teaspoons of oregano, 2 tablespoons of kosher salt, 4 teaspoons of paprika, 1 tablespoon and 1 teaspoon of sugar, 8 cloves of garlic, and half a cup of lemon juice. Half a cup of lime juice, and I'm making 2 whole chickens. They're 4-pound chickens. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna just take all this. Actually, I'm gonna take my garlic and part of my lemon juice and puree this for a couple seconds. And once my garlic is pureed, I'm going to add everything else and puree. Now we're going to take our marinade, and what you have to do is you have to lift up the skin of the chicken. Sometimes right where the backbone is, the chicken is kind of connected, so you might have to take a knife and cut it. But once you cut that, the skin will lift right off, and you can even get at the legs over here. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our marinade, and we're going to put our marinade in the chicken and marinate our chicken. And this has to actually marinate for between 6 hours and overnight. So you want to make sure that you get inside the legs. Hopefully get the thighs a little bit. You want to use up approximately 2/3 of the marinade on the inside of the chicken. And then we're going to take the rest of the marinade and marinate the outside of the chicken. And once you're all done with this, you're going to stick it back in the refrigerator for, like I said, about a minimum of 6 hours to marinate, and we'll stick it in the oven later. Our chicken has been marinating for 6 hours now, and now I'm going to put them in the oven. Very, very important when you roast a chicken, depending on how strong your oven is. My oven's not very strong, so I'm going with a 410-degree oven. If your oven's very strong, you can go with the 400-degree oven, and leave it in for about 15 minutes. And after 15 minutes, turn it down to like 275 to 300. What that's going to do is it's going to sear the outside skin, make it nice and brown, and then you want to slow roast it. So anyway, I'm going to put it in the oven now, and I'll show you what it looks like in probably about an hour and a half to 2 hours, I'm guessing. While our chicken is roasting, we're going to make our sauce for the Peruvian chicken. Over here I have a cup of cilantro, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 cloves of garlic, 2 tablespoons of lime juice, half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, 3/4 of a cup of mayonnaise, and 3 jalapeños. And very, very simply, I'm going to take our olive oil and our garlic and puree that for a couple seconds. Actually, I'm going to throw in my lime juice too. That might help a little bit. All right, and now we're going to put everything else in there. Our salt and pepper, our cilantro, our jalapeños. And if you like it more spicy, add the seeds for the jalapeno. If you don't like it so spicy, leave the seeds out. And we're just going to puree this. Our Pollo a la Brasa is finished, and I just want to show you what it looks like. I put it on a plate. It's classically served with French fries and salad. Try some. Can't wait because I'm starving. Looks nice and moist. Gotta have some sauce with it. Yummy. Really, really, really good. The chicken has really nice flavor. The sauce is great. It has the garlic, the cilantro, the lime juice. You taste everything in the sauce. Really nice sauce. If you're looking for a new twist on roast chicken, this is it for you. You will love this. Anyway, thank you so much for watching my video. If you've liked it, please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel. Please tell me what type of roast chicken you like to make. I'd love to hear from you. And I will see you all in the next video. Be safe, everyone. Bye-bye.